Hey everyone! If you want to secure your AnyDesk account in 2026, enabling two-factor authentication is one of the best ways to protect your access. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn it on step by step. First, open AnyDesk and sign in to your account. Two-factor authentication is managed from your account settings. Next, go to the security section in your account settings. This is where all login protection options are located. Now look for the two-factor authentication option, sometimes labeled as 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Click Enable Two-Factor Authentication. So this will begin the security setup process. Next, choose an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps generate secure login codes. Now open your Authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed on your screen. This links your account securely. After scanning, enter the 6-digit verification code from your Authenticator app. This confirms that 2FA is active. Make sure to save your backup codes. These help you regain access if you lose your phone or Authenticator app. Now confirm activation. So, once enabled, you'll need both your password and a verification code to log in. Finally, log out and sign back in to test your two-factor authentication setup. This ensures everything is working correctly, and that's it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication in AnyDesk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.